Hi, I am Yogesh Bhute. Today's technical point is the lymph and immune system. Now, lymphatic system is lymph is also known as lymphocytes. The bone marrow produces uh, red blood cell, blood and blood cell, red blood cell, white blood cell, and platelets. Now the leukocytes are produces formation in bone marrow. Their main function is the leukocyte uh, is the foreign particle formation of antibodies to the kill the bacteria antigens in our body. This is the main function of the leukocytes. Leukocytes contain two parts. One is a granulation and another is a granulation. The uh, granulation contains the granules present in cytoplasm. It contains three subunits: neutrophil, basophil, eosinophils. Basophil contain the parasitic infection in our body. They kill the parasite inflammation. Neutrophils contain the major secondary immunity in the bacteria and viruses to kill the bacteria and viruses in the neutrophils. Eosinophils contain the parasitic infection in the asthma and any other substance. They are specific immunity antigens, antibody formed to the antigens of the eosinophils. Now second one is the granulation. The granules are not present in the cytoplasm. The granulation contains two subunits. One is a monocytes and another is a leukocytes. The monocytes contain phagocytosis. Phagocytosis is a simple meaning is the engulf of the foreign particle and they are excrete out. This is the main function of the monocyte, is also called as a phagocytosis. Second one is the lymphocytes. Lymphocytes contain the B cell and T cell. The B cell is the memory cell and the plasma cell. T cell is the helper T cell. This is the formation of the antibodies. Now explain the innate immunity and immunity. Immunity contains the any substance to damage the organism, body organism. To kill the organism is called as the immunity. The immunity contains two types: innate immunity and acquired immunity. Now one by one explain the innate immunity and acquired immunity. Innate immunity, this immunity is present in body in by birth. They are produced in the by birth. The substance in the innate immunity is the our birth time. The foreign particles are damage the cell. That time the innate immunity play a major role in the kill the pathogens in the first attack. Innate immunity contains some barriers also. Physical barrier contain some parts: skin, hair, eyelashes, skin, hair, respiratory tract, GI tract, and nostrils. This is the physical barrier to the pathogen enter into the body in the physical physical barrier in our body to get foreign particle or damage. The second one is a physiological barrier. It's contain hydrochloric acid in stomach. They are highly acidic. That contain the microbial organism into the food. They are take into the food in the stomach. That time the hydrochloric acid is to form the acid. That's the kill of microorganism. Second one is tears in eye. Now our tears is the play a very important role in the microorganism damage and kill the eye shape. Saliva, the intake of food. That time most of the microorganism are in the contact with food. That time the saliva play a very important role in the bind the microorganism and kill these pathogens. They are play a very important role in the pathogen damage saliva. Third one is the cellular barrier. Cellular barrier contains antibodies to the against antigens. They contain cellular barriers. Most of the antibody they form to the against antigens. Cytokinins is the process of the cell covering to protect the pathogen is called as a cytokinins barrier. Now some cell are also the most of the cell, natural cell contains the barrier. First one is the most cell. Most cell contains the toxic nature in the wood healing to the damage the pathogens. Second one is the phagocytosis. It contains the engulf of the foreign particle and the damage the pathogen viruses and kill. This is the and excrete out is the main function of the phagocytosis. Basophil is the parasitic inflammation. These contain they are damaged. Neutrophils contain highly secondary immune system. They are kill the bacteria and viruses, which is the very important role. The acquired immunity. Acquired immunity is the adapt in life all over the life. They are adapted immunity. They are play a very important role in the growing stage in the body. They are specific antibodies produced to the against the antigen and kill the antigen. This is a very important role in the acquired immunity. Acquired immunity contains the two types. One is passive and another is active. Now active immunity is the main function is the that they are kill the pathogen in directly or trigger antigens. They are kill. This is the main function of the active immunity. Passive immunity contains the they are specificity to be done the kill the bacteria and parasitic antigens. Now artificial and natural passive immunity and natural and artificial active immunity, they are the subtype of the acquired immunity. Some of the vaccines are the in small kind age that contain the passive artificial immunity done. Now its acquired immunity contains two subtype. Is one is the B cell and another is the T cell. B cell contains the antibody to kill the antigens. IgG, IgA, IgM, IgD, IgE is the 5 antibodies in our body. They get bind with antigen and kill the antigens. The one by one explain. IgG contains 80 most abundant antibody. It's contain 80% in blood. Antibody in blood serum, and the main role is the IgG is they are cross the placenta and get to fetus. IgA contains breast milk, saliva, tears in eye. This is the present in the antibody. They play a very important role in the kill the bacteria, and they are 30% in antibody in blood serum, and they are secretory immunoglobulin play a very important role. IgM contains the parasitic is most branching site present in the IgM. This is the most they are in the 1%, 6% in antibody in serum. IgD is the B cell formation. They are help in the antibody production. The antibody in serum is 1%. IgE contains the 0.02% in the antibody in serum. It's play a very important role in the allergic reaction in respiratory and GI tract. They are the antibodies. Thank you.